Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. First of all, I would like to say a huge thank you to all of you who have been loyal viewers and continue to support this channel. Your support truly means a lot. And for those of you who are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Your engagement really helps the channel grow. In today's video, we're going to review IObit Advanced SystemCare 19 Pro 2026, one of the most popular all-in-one PC optimization tools available today. So, what's new in this latest 2026 Pro version? IObit Advanced SystemCare 19 Pro comes with an improved AI-powered scanning engine that analyzes your system more deeply and accurately. With just one click, it can clean junk files, remove invalid registry entries, fix system vulnerabilities, and optimize startup items to significantly improve boot time. One of the standout features is the enhanced Deep Clean function. It can detect and remove hidden junk files that usually slow down your system over time. This is especially useful if your PC feels sluggish or takes longer to respond. The Pro version also includes real-time protection. It helps monitor suspicious activities, blocks potential spyware, and protects your browsing privacy. With the Privacy Shield feature, your sensitive data stays protected from unauthorized access. Another great feature is the Turbo Boost mode. With a single click, it temporarily stops unnecessary background processes and services, freeing up RAM and CPU usage. This is perfect when you're gaming, editing videos, or running heavy applications. For internet users, the Internet Booster optimizes your network settings to help improve browsing speed and reduce latency. It's a simple but effective addition for smoother online activity. In terms of user interface, Advanced SystemCare 19 Pro maintains its clean and modern design. Everything is well organized, beginner-friendly, and easy to navigate, even if you're not very tech-savvy. Now let's talk about performance. After running a full scan and optimization, you can notice faster startup times, smoother multitasking, and overall better system responsiveness. It's especially helpful for older PCs that need extra maintenance. So, is IObit Advanced SystemCare 19 Pro 2026 worth it? If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to clean, protect, and optimize your PC without complicated settings, this software is definitely worth considering. It combines performance optimization, privacy protection, and real-time security in one package. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts about IObit Advanced SystemCare 19 Pro 2026. And of course, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next tech review. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.